Hey, welcome back to another MacBook tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to uninstall unwanted applications or apps or delete them. So that's a very basic step because most people want the clutter in their computer. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go click on left upper corner and you will see multiple options. In here, click on About This Mac. And as you click on About This Mac, go to Storage and click on Manage Storage. You can see my storage is already almost full. Click on Manage Storage. As you click on Manage Storage, you'll get all kind of options that which application is using how much of storage. So my iTunes is using 1 GB, iOS file 8.480 GB, which I don't need any longer. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna delete it because whenever I connect my iPhone, it automatically transfers the data. So it's going to be deleted within a second. So this is going to be deleted. You can see on the upper corner, it's been 16, 17. It's going to space. In case if we go to applications, we see if any application you don't need, just click on that. For example, in case of MetaTrader 4, I don't need it for now. Just click on it, click on delete. And as you click on delete, it will sometime automatically delete. Sometime if it's an important file, it will ask you for permission. So we have given him a permission that you should we should delete it, and it will automatically be deleted. If you can't see it, now you see it. So this is how it's very easy to delete or uninstall any application on your Apple MacBook Pro or your MacBook. If you find this video really helpful, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you up in the next video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.